Sunday, March 24th, 2024. Palm Sunday. Focus. I was not rebellious, I turned not backward. A close relative of mine has been experiencing severe setbacks for quite a while. Gradually, he has stopped going to church, skips prayers, and at any mention of God says flatly, I don't believe in God. Negativity can creep into our faith in the face of prolonged suffering. We may begin to question God's very existence and His plans for us. Nothing is worse than to feel abandoned by Him. But how can God, who took the form of a servant and went even to the point of death on a cross, to make our own suffering His own, forsake us? Palm Sunday reminds us of God's unconditional love and closeness to us. The palm fronds are symbolic of Christ's triumphant entry into Jerusalem and His victory over sin, suffering, and death. They give us hope that in union with Him, we too will overcome the trials of life and even death. Today's readings, though grim, are encouraging. They call us to be humbly obedient to God's will and to persevere in difficult times, knowing that Jesus is always with us. We can endure suffering by participating in His saving work. Uniting our suffering to His passion and death can be redemptive for the sins of others. Fruit. I will offer my suffering for the sake of someone who has left the faith.